Fully furnished and equipped, walk to the beach. Steps away from Hallandale Beach, occupancy February 1, 2023, just bring your toothbrush, turnkey condo. Secure building entrance with gated access. Laundry room on same floor. Community pool looking at Intercoastal waters, sauna, sundeck, large covered common area patio next to Intracoastal. Enjoy the Intracoastal breeze if you choose to stay home. Great location, landlord looking for long-term tenant who wants to feel on vacation 24/7, 365 days a year. Full detailed credit report required.